Why do we multiply length and width to find the area of a rectangle? How can you quickly figure out how many dollars there are without individually counting them? By using multiplication. We can imagine the dollars are in groups. There are 4 groups and each group has $5. Therefore, we can multiply 4 times 5, meaning we are adding up 5 4 times. Now I've rearranged the dollars. Can you still imagine the 4 groups of 5? There are $5 in each row, and there are 4 rows in total. So we can still multiply 4 times 5 to get the total number of dollars. What if I covered up the dollars with a rectangle and told you that $5 bills can fit across the width of the rectangle and $4 bills can fit along the length of the rectangle? Could you tell me how many dollars would fit in the entire rectangle? You could still multiply 4 times 5 because there are still 4 groups of $5 bills. This is why we multiply length and width to get the area of a rectangle. We can always imagine the rectangle is broken up into squares. Instead of counting the individual squares, we can count how many squares fit across the width and how many squares fit across the length of the rectangle. Then we can multiply the length and width to get the total number of squares inside the rectangle. Even though sometimes the squares aren't drawn for us, if we know the length and width, we can always find the area of the rectangle.